Good morning everyone. I am Saksham Raj from BCA KU Batch 1 Semester 2 and I am here to discuss the topic shift operator in C programming language. There are two shift bitwise operator in C language which are left shift and right shift. These are their symbols and they are used to shift the bits of the numbers according to the given number. They act on two operand as they are binary operators. Now I will be dealing with right shift operator. Right shift operator, it takes two operand like this. A and B are the operands and this is the right shift operator. A is the number and B is the number of bits by which A will be shifted right side, and this is the syntax of right shift operator A, right shift B. And let's take an example. A equal to 14 and we have to right shift A by 2, and A 14 is represented like 1110 in binary form, and 14 is we have to express it in 8-bit form, and so I have added here 4 zeros before. Now we will shift the whole bit to the right side and it will leave a blank space which will be marked as 0, and then first it is shifted by 1, then the value will be 7 and by binary conversion, and when we will shift by it by 2, there will be 2 empty boxes and it will be expressed in 0 and the value will be 3. Here the value 7 also comes by 14 divided by 2 into 1 as it is shifted by 1, and here it is 7 divided by 2 into 2 as it is shifted by 2, which is here written A equal to A divided by 2 to the power 2, which will become 3, and 3 in binary form can be written as 1 1. So the example is implemented here in the code form. Here n1 is 14, n2 will be taken in input by the user by using scanf function, and then here the right shift operation will be performed. So let's run the code. Here the code is written in dev C++. In main function we have n1 whose value is 14 and n2 will be user input as I have told, and let's run it. Here the prompt is to enter the number of position to right shift, so we will enter 2 and it will give the output after performing right shift operation. 14 is right shifted by 2 bits, it will be 3, as 14 divided by 4 will be 3 point something, as it is in integer form then it will only return 3. That's all from my side. Thank you.